Hello everyone, this is Nandini from CAD NEST RR Nagar. In today's session, we'll be continuing with offset modifying tool and then table format. First, we'll go with the offset term. So I'm going to take a line command here. So I have taken a line. Now, either I'll take offset and I'll click at anywhere on the line and I'll be specifying a offset distance. So I'll give offset distance of 0.5, enter. Now I'll click on this and I'll click outside. Either it could be in the left side or it could be on the right side. So this is how we create offset. If I need one more in the sense, again I can click here and then I can move forward like this. If I don't want to click the previous or the reference object every time in the sense, just select this, click on multiple and keep clicking on forward. So this is how offset works. Offset, it is not only being applicable for line, you can take any shape also. For example, take rectangle, take offset. Short key for the offset is O F, enter. Now select this point and specify the offset distance. So I'll give 0.5, enter. I'll click on the rectangle and then I need it outside or inside. I should be deciding it. I'll click it inside. So this is how I get offset for my rectangle. This is all about offset term. Next we have table. Go to table here in the annotation tool. Now here for the table you will be having columns and row settings here. So you can define how many number of columns and how many number of rows you need, along with what should be the height of a column and what should be height of the row. So now I'll take up 6 columns and 4 rows with so and so specified height. Now you can either change it here by typing also. If not, if this is satisfied, then you can leave it off. Next, this is arrangement of a table. In the sense, I'll be having individual cells like as that of MS Excel. In the same way, I'll be defining which row should be which cell. So always my first row, I'll be taking it as title. Second row, I'll be taking it as header for the data that I entry. And third row is for whatever the data that I have, I'll be entering it here. I can change this also. You can see I can take first as header, second as the title, and third one as the data. Or I can take vice versa. Any changes can be made through this. So now I'll keep title, header and data and I'll give OK. Now you can see I have placed my column. Now whatever typing that I am getting, this is for title term. So title I can give anything. So let me just give enter. Next comes the header portion. So header portion, I'll write it down, serial number, enter. Next I'll be coming back to date. So I'll be coming back to data part. If you don't want this, just shift. If I need to type something here in the sense, double tap on that and write down students. Next here course. Again in the same way here payment. In the same way, whatever you want, you can just enter it. And here comes the data part. So data part, serial number 1, 2, 3, like that. And then you can enter the student's name and then you can enter whatever the courses it is being specified. So everything you can just define it in terms of a table. So this is how we'll be getting the table option. And short key for the table is TAB L, enter. TABL, enter. That is the short key for table option. So I hope you have understood today's session. So in upcoming session we'll be continuing with annotation terms. Thank you.